Well, to start off with, though, is there anything in particular we could help you with today?
Um, I was looking through let me see, the 20 minutes thing. Where did it go? I was just looking at it. 20 minutes on where'd it go? I can't remember where I saw it now.
It
That
should
would
be.
be,
I was just scrolling through that.
so that's under the Teen and Instructor program?
Is that what it was? Maybe I looked at the wrong one. Class, I guess class planner. Is that what it is? Yeah.
Correct. For the level one?
Yes.
Okay.
Trying to figure out.
Right.
Um, it says leadership training, workout, and then it says technical skills, teaching skills, sorry, and then teaching skills, different ones.
Uh-huh.
Trying to, you know, understand a little more about that, I guess.
Yeah. So these lesson plans are set for your leadership. Each each section of the manual has a lesson plans that go with that for you. So when you give your instructors in training their level one manual, one of the first things that'll be in their manual is the section on teaching skills. And in the teaching skills, set a specific goal for your lesson. So that is something that they're learning how to do, is not just get up and just start teaching something, but have, an organized, exactly what am I going to be teaching in this lesson? How do I
Right.
set it? So in the lesson plan here, the plan one, it takes about 20 minutes to teach this lesson. So using your martial arts as a guide, you will help your students list all the big picture concepts of martial arts. So, for instance, for us, the big picture is, their form, sparring, weaponry, self-defense, or, those are kind of what I conceive as the big picture. So, and then, so you have the students in this lesson, you have the students list all that out and talk about it. What are the things, and have them come up with these ideas. And then once you've made your list, then you can break it down into more specific qualities. So for instance, um, if you chose sparring, then you say, okay, what are the different elements of sparring? So we're trying to get them to think about not just teaching sparring, but being very specific about what they're focusing on. So they have,
Okay.
so they can look at sparring, and I have written here timing, blocking, evading, charging.